Hi partners! Magandang gabi.
Nakamute
Okay.
po kayo.
Well, I'm glad that you all are here. I think we should start. Now, how many of you in this group? How many of this group? Somehow tinanong ko na to ng nakaraan, right? How many of you in this group na napanood? I would like you to just basically type 1, okay? How many of you, how many in this group have seen or read the book or the movie The Secret? Kindly type 1 if you do. And kapag hindi pa, you can type 2. Okay. Now, this movie, okay, at least we have Coach Jenny na Coach Jen, at least probably Coach Jenny na panood o nabasa, right? It is a very wonderful book. If you were able to check on it and read on it. It's actually more of the law of attraction. The law of attraction that really works. Alam mo yan? And when I was, during my younger years, that's actually my problem. No, for some reason, I'm not shy. Hindi naman ako mahiyain, but for some reason, I feel like no one likes me, and somehow it starts bothering me. Now I was actually thinking, is it the way I comb my hair sa aking buhok ba? Is it the way I dress or the way I talk to people, or am I really hard to get along with? So it actually bothered me. Now I was like, you know what? There must be something wrong about me. Okay, and so the law of the secret. Okay, the law of attraction, probably some of you have wondered if really works, if it does work. Okay. And you see, believe it or not, the law of attraction really does work. Okay, it is not complicated. There's no some magic tricks or special ritual just to have those kind of charisma, right? Or some ancient secret, diba? It's actually very simple. And it is like, I would like you to think of it something like a gravity, di ba? It is natural. Like when the gravity, that everything that you throw up, it usually goes down. Maliban lang kung hindi yan sasabit ng hindi yan sasabit sa bubong o sa puno, it usually goes down. Kahit na anong gagawin mo dyan. That's basically that's the because of the gravity. Law of attractions have somehow similar effect. Okay, it follows certain principles and laws in order for it to work. In a scripture that I really like, in that I'm reading, sabi there is a law irrevocably under heaven, of which all the blessings are predicated. Sabi niya ngayon sa sa lahat ng sa buong mundo, dito sa mundo, there is a law predicated, di ba? Kung saan lahat daw ng effect, okay, will come because of this law. Because of the certain laws that you obey or that you follow. Same true with the law of attractions. It is not a secret. It is somehow you need to understand the law in order for you to take advantage of it and use it for your good. Okay, it is an unchanging law in the universe, and I'm sure once you know it tonight, you will know now, you know what? Most of this, ginagawa ko na siya, right? And there's an effect na nag-result, but somehow I really don't know na isa pala ito sa dapat kong gawin in order to increase the law of attraction sa akin. Okay? So, the law of attraction simply, the ability to attract other people into your lives. Okay? Ito yung kumbaga, other people call it charisma. For somehow, you feel that you're drawn towards the person. Kasi sabi, alam mo, I really like him. Kasi I feel comfortable being with him. I really feel inspired to be with him. And I think I really would like to, I really would like to like get along with him. I really wanted him to be my friend, di ba? Merong ganon. Why? Kasi there's something in him that there's something that radiates in him na you actually feel. Okay? So okay. Okay. Partners, nakita nyo ba sa aking screen? Okay, tell me what you see on the screen right now. Okay. Okay. So let's start. Okay. Says how the law of attraction works. Okay. Now, okay. Now, as what I said kanina, no, law of attraction is no different from the gravity. It is simply the ability to attract other people into your lives, and then whatever you are trying to perform, you're trying to accomplish, right? So when you do that, you need to focus on the possibility for success, not on potential for failure. You need more on to understand that negativity cannot do any good in you. Kahit na anong gagawin mo, it will never give good results. That's why you have to focus on possibility, because you can do things, you can perform things na you would think possible na gagawin. Okay? Okay, so the law of attraction is, the law of attraction is not just simple as complicated as what it says. It just usually works once you try to do this. Okay. Now, first, in understanding this, number one. Okay. Okay. So you always attract. Okay, sabi number one in the law of attractions that you always attract into your life the people, or the things, or the resources, or the ideas in harmony with your dominant thoughts. If I'm going to put it in words, it's actually saying that people who have the same likes, who have the same interest, things that you like to have, or things that you really wanted to have, thoughts that you want to have, usually comes into you because you wanted it. Di ba? Kasi ginusto mo. People basically, once you talk to people, okay? Once you talk to people, when they see that you have the same likes, parehas kayo ng gusto, parehas kayo ng hobby, more likely they are drawing papunta sa'yo, right? And so, in that way, you would actually notice that people are drawing, papunta sa'yo, rather than pushing it away. Now, you become a harmony in their current experience, and then you share a lot of things, you share a lot of thoughts, and you would say, alam mo ba, parang matagal na tayo magkakilala. That's basically usually ang nababasa natin, right? That's why, if you're going to look at it, most salesmen, they usually establish common belief. Ang aming tinatawag yan is you need to learn how to build common beliefs. Like for example, if the person likes to play golf, kung may nagpi-play ba rito ng golf, kapag ang isang tao mahilig mag-golf, basically what you need to do is talk about golf, right? Now, you don't need to pretend na alam mo ang isang bagay pag hindi mo alam, kasi you sound like trying hard to win the person. Now, there is problem if you are trying hard to be something or someone, right? Like for example, no, try mo magano na you are expert in a subject matter, for example, cars, right? You talk about cars and it will usually lalabas talaga siya. Lalabas siya na it's not your cup of tea. It's not you, right? Now, if you're going to look at it, salesperson are trained, okay? Salesperson are trained how to build good relationship of trust. Ang tawag niyan ay building common beliefs. Like for example, now you try to find neutrality or neutral grounds that both of you can talk about, diba? So that he will be comfortable being with you, right? And at the same time, you are not trying yourself hard, okay, na you actually appear trying to please the person. Okay? So if you want to increase more sales, if you want to like close more deals, or if you really wanted to close incomes, okay, is the only thing that you need to do is you need to become good in building relationship of trust and build common beliefs. Okay, so you want to become a better manager, yeah, or become leader. Okay, then what you need to do is learn, okay, learn to share these strategies. Okay,